Good morning guys. So, hindi ko na alam anong day kami. I think day 5 here in Panay Island. So, we're gonna have breakfast. My outfit for today for our city tour. So, already packed. I want to make sure that I didn't leave any items kasi sa isang hotel na iwan ko yung perfume ko. So, all my bags and gifts are there. Just gonna bring that water bottle. So, alright, let's go and have breakfast. Hello! What's this?
Yung kagabi po, ma'am. Turn out sweet niyo po, ma'am.
Oh, thank you!
So, ma'am.
Hey, we have another gift. Thank you so much. So, just gonna wait here. Maraming salamat. Alright, let's head out and have breakfast for real. Okay. Alright, I'm ready to check out. I got my stuff here and I'm just gonna leave my gifts and luggage for them to pick it up. So, alright, let's go. Oh my god. Alright, let's go.
Tapos dahil sa ano, bye, thank you.
Ay, isa na ba yun?
Isa na yun.
Yay!
For considering Capiz as one of your itineraries in your farm tour. Isang ito ay pinakanta. Very rich ang Capiz ng
Ang daming feelings ni ma'am.
mata, kay kung wala ka bisang suga, patindugon ko sa tunga.
Kung ako ang mamana, piliun ko dapa ilong. Kung wala pa kami pugon, sindutan ko sa ilong. Oh, ilaw.
Sigising na si Dalaga ngayon.
Tapos masarap na yun. Hindi pag
Available and...
yung parang yung flavor.
Sir, parang pasmado kayo.
Ay, ang perfect niya.
Pinapressure.
So tinanggal mo na yung sabaw para hindi siya.
Oo, this is tumapon. Pero ang sarap na.
Yan po yung ginawa nila kanina, di ba? Meron sa mga places.
Sila sa grupong ito. They are rich in intangible traditions, cultural heritage.
Lin puno na mo ya malimtang nga hindi gid. Imitarda kung sugot sa pinsa.
Hindi. Fake
Ito naman sa
news.
version niya is may ubad naman siya. Yung paano sa saging. This way po.
Mahirap siyang gawin.
Ibang sa kabila.
Ganun din po.
Pero mas manipis ako.
Okay, and then, lalok.
Yan. Yan. Yung parang sa mga
Baka kasi nasaktan.
Anong ganap dyan? Eh, pag, doon na
same pa rin yung ingredient. Manakit na kanin, na bigas pala.
Try na natin. Ito bang ano yan?
Galing.
Okay, ready?
One, go!
Tayo ka sa hakbang ni Ro!
Oh, one, go!
Darling, butangit ako isa ka ba?
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're out to feed bangus. This is my outfit. My gosh, I'm wearing boots. Okay, let's do this. Let's have raincoat and gloves. Okay.
Oo sir, bali dito sa river na to, naghahalo na yung first water, magiging brackish water.
Captivating dishes, delicacies, places, beaches, and of course,
Tama po ba? Big fish.
Okay, this is my plate. And I can finally tell them. Kain lang sila. It's my birthday. Yes.
Center. I hope and I believe that it will spark and it will be a catalyst.
Napapagod din pala
Lobat na po sila.
Wala kasi sunblock eh.
Lobat na sila.
Mga payaman lang.
Here at Astoria, we're gonna check out. It's 8:30. Tomorrow we'll leave at 7. Check in. Night. This is my room. Okay. And tonight is our last night here in Panay Island. So it's a nice hotel. I need to see my luggage. Let's check the CR. Ooh, nice. Alright. Okay. Okay guys, it's 9 p.m. and they already sent my luggage and gifts here. So I have to deal with these items and pack them. So yeah, this is our last night and yeah, so thankful, so happy with the experience. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog. And tomorrow is my birthday. So yeah, last 3 hours before I celebrate my 18th birthday for I got time to actually flat lay and arrange the gifts just to showcase them and take videos and photos because I might share some of them. So we have here Bizcocho house, mug, captured Capiz, coasters from Tourism Promotions Board, Iloilo Coffee Table Book, tablea, sea food delicacies. We have sweets, coffee. This one I bought from Kape Nagpana. And then of course merch, Philippine merch. So we have bag, eco bag, drawstrings bag, and yes, we received certificate of appreciation. Thank you so much for inviting me. I always have fun. So I'm looking forward to traveling again soon and exploring more of the Philippines because it's more fun in the Philippines. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pack everything because tomorrow is our flight. Okay, so I got more gifts. So we will include this to our flat lay. Okay.